Alright, welcome to our introductory Digital Watchdog Spectrum training. What we're going to show you guys here today is how to set up a user account as well as a new layout. So I'm going to direct your attention over to the left hand corner. Down towards the bottom you're going to see a icon that says users. Now right click that option and that's going to allow us to create a new user. Next you're going to see a section that says login. Enter the username and then proceed with the password and confirm the password. You're going to notice just below that an email and access rights section. Make sure to fill out the email tab as well as the access rights. Access rights give different user privileges according to what you want the user to see. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to create a live viewer account. We're going to click OK, and then next step what we're going to do is create a layout specific to this user. I'm going to right click on Manager, and then I'm going to name this layout Manager Layout. Click OK. And I'm going to drag in the cameras that I feel is appropriate for this account. What this is going to do is it's going to give this manager live viewing capability of the cameras that I select. We're going to go up to the DW button in the left hand corner, and then we're going to scroll down and click Save Current Layout. And if you have any additional questions or if you need technical assistance, please give us a call at 810-433-3308.